Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems for GRE out of this book here, practicing to take the GRE General Test, the 10th edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it in order to prepare for the exam. It is the only book on the market that has real exams. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that you're going to find on page number 341, quantitative comparison question, hence the QC, number 10. Let's take a look at it. It's an interesting problem. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3 plus half versus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 half, 1 and a quarter. Look, there are two ways of solving this problem. The one is what I would call the traditional way, the orthodox way, the classical way, the orthodox way, the classical way, the traditional way, the proper way, the academic way, the mathematical way, and the other one is what I call the quick and dirty way. You can sit there and solve it properly if you like, mathematically. I'm not going to do it. Look, it's very simple. I have 1 over, I'm going to rewrite this whole thing, what they're giving you. I'm going to rewrite this whole thing here. 1 over 4 plus something, and that something is positive. This is something that's positive. So I don't have to worry about taking away something from 4. We have 4 and we are adding something to it. Versus 1 over 2 plus something. Again, this something is positive. Even though this something is not same as this something, because it's 3.5 versus 3 1/4, it doesn't matter. The point is, which quantity is bigger? Which quantity is bigger? Can you tell me? 1 over 1 quarter or 1 half? Which one is bigger? Given the fact that these are almost the same, 3 plus 1.5 and 3 plus 1 1/4. Of course, 1 plus 4, 1 over 4 is quarter. Of course, the quarter is going to be less than a half. If we're adding almost the same thing, it's almost the same thing. It's not going to do anything. So of course, quarter is less than a half. That's it. The answer is B. If you like, you can sit there and solve it properly. If you want to, I'm not going to. That's it. That's all. We're done. Another way you could have solved this thing. Let's just leave it at that. That's all. Keep it simple. This 1 over 4 plus something versus 1 over 2 plus something. Of course, 1 over 4 plus something is going to be less than 1 over 2 plus something, because this is less than a quarter. By the time you add something to 4, the fact that 1 over 4 was a quarter, the fact that you're adding something more to 4, it becomes less than a quarter. Even though this also becomes less than a half, but that doesn't alter the fact that it is something little under half. It's going to be more than something little under a quarter. No, that's all. I don't know how much I helped you, but this is it. That was all. I hope you found it helpful. At least you get to see non-traditional, quick and dirty way, if you wish, if you will, for the real exam, instead of wasting your time doing it out. If you wish to get hold of me for personal private tutoring, I do tutoring, face-to-face tutoring. I tutor over the internet via Skype, and I also tutor over the telephone. If there is anything at all that I can help you in your preparation for the GRE, go to my website at www.prep, F-O-R-4, GRE.com and send me an email. Or you can go to www.KeshwaniPrep.com and send me an email. Alright? Thanks.